Developments tonight on the crash that claimed the life of a Willoughby police officer. Police tell us the driver who pulled in front of Officer Jason Gresko in September was legally drunk at the time of the accident. Good evening, I'm Chris Flanagan.
And I'm Lee Jordan. Willoughby's law director and police chief said today the driver of the truck had a blood alcohol level nearly 2 times the legal limit. News Channel 5's Paul Kiska broke this story on Newsnet5.com this morning and joins us now. Paul, I know you have been checking on this story every day.
Well, we've been expecting something to break on this case, and it finally did today. It takes a long time to get these toxicology results back someday, and sometimes now that police have them back, they say the pickup driver in this case had a blood alcohol content of 0.14. A person can be charged with drunk driving at 0.08, so the driver of this pickup truck was well over that. No charges have been filed yet, but that could change in the next 48 hours. I spoke with Willoughby's police chief, Jack Beckwith, today, who confirms the driver of this pickup truck was drunk. Dash cam video showed Officer Jason Gresko responding to a call on September 21st, a rainy Friday night. Gresko put on his lights, but no siren. The driver of the pickup started to pull into a driveway, cutting off the cruiser. Gresko swerved, struck a tree, and died.
While the state of the defendant's inebriation is clearly important, there are other factors that go into it.
Civil rights attorney Avery Friedman, who is not involved with this case, said the blood alcohol test will weigh the heaviest of all the evidence if a grand jury indicts the driver and the case goes to trial. However,
the fact of the inebriation clearly will be a compelling factor, but it is merely one factor in a number of elements that go into the formula.
Willoughby's law director, John Weil, said the dash cam video shows the pickup driver driving slowly and not weaving while looking for an address. Weil said the cruiser's siren should have been turned on, but Chief Beckwith said it's up to the officer's discretion. That siren could play a role if the case goes to trial and both sides bring in experts.
You have a driver who was going slow, you have inclement weather, you have a number of factors over which people don't have control that will factor into the equation of whether or not the prosecution can meet its burden.
Now, police said Officer Gresko's evasive driving that night probably saved the lives of the people inside that pickup truck, including 2 13-year-old passengers. Now, the Lake County grand jury will look at this case this coming Friday and could decide if felony charges will be filed. We'll let you know what happens.
All right, Paul, thanks very much.